guys, I'm Lena, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about Halloween. I never did Halloween costume before, but I decided to do it this year. And I think everybody do a Halloween costume based on the characters that they really like. And I thought what I like the most, and the answer was musical theater. So I picked out 3 characters from 3 Broadway musicals.
Crease and Hairspray I adore for a long time now, and Anything Goes. I heard the main song in Glee, but I've seen the whole performance just this year in a local theater and I felt in love with the music.
So the first costume that I decided to recreate is Bryna Sweeney from Anything Goes.
For this costume I chose navy blue color for the cloth because it's the best for sailor theme, and I bought the color and the hat on Amazon. I had to spend some time on proper hair and makeup, and the last touch is the Reno Sweeney's red lips.
Here again, your cares and troubles are gone. There'll be no more from now on. Happy days are here again. The skies above are clear again. Let us sing a song of cheer again. Happy days are here again.
For a second costume, I decided to do painted Pingleton from Hairspray.
I think that signature thing for her is her hairstyle and also this lollipop. And for the outfit, I tried to pick up the pieces that matching her style and the whole vibe, and I think I did it pretty well.
And for the third costume, I chose Sandy from the Crease. And I think this one is the most frequently recreated musical-related Halloween costume.
I saw many girls like to dress as Sandy on Halloween. I didn't find the exact pieces, but I think I was able to catch her appearance in general. You know, this whole off-shoulder top, red shoes, leather jacket and hairstyle. And I have to borrow the cigarette to recreate the character, but don't smoke, kids. Smoking kills.
If you like music theater like I do, I hope I gave you some idea for upcoming Halloween. Please let me know in the comments below what costume are you gonna wear this year. Thank you so much for watching, really hope you like it, have a great weekend and see you next week.